All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face, yeah.
Hey cuties, and welcome to the club. I wanted to do like a kind of like a back to school like series. I don't know, I just want to put out some back to school footage. I am not currently in school, so I don't really have to go like any shopping or anything like that, but I did want to film an emergency kit video because you always need one of these, okay? So this is my emergency kit. If I were going to school or if I was just going anywhere for real. I got this bag at the Dollar General because I didn't have a bag to put it in, so I was like, okay. It says Hello Beautiful. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have in here is some just hand lotion. This is Aveeno's Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I like theirs because it's like, they don't put like a lot of, well, it doesn't smell super harsh. And I could use some right now. Like, I know when I was in school, oh my God, the corners of my fingers. Okay, so next I have some hand sanitizer, which is obviously essential nowadays. This is a Dove hand sanitizer. It also moisturizes, that's why I like it. And it smells really good, but it comes out, you know, kind of like a hand sanitizer. Next, this is optional. I have some hand wipes, some antibacterial wet ones, because sometimes like hand sanitizer is not gonna do the job. Sometimes you have like, you do some Cheetos and you need to get the Cheeto residue off. Girl, get you some wipes. Okay, and then next I have this, I don't know why I'm looking at it like that. I have this edge brush, and it's a little bead, but this is just one to carry around. You know, touch up your little edges if you have a wig on, or, oh great. And then next I have some deodorant. This is also by Dove. I love Dove. I use their body wash too. This one isn't, this one does have aluminum in it, but what can you do? Try to get the one without aluminum. I know, I just didn't. Next I have some hair glue, wig glue, lace glue. This is the Bold Hold Active. Honestly, this is like my favorite lace glue. Like, I've tried the clear Max, Bold Hold Max, and it just doesn't sit the way this one does. Like, I shied away from this because I feel like it takes a long time to dry, and I always felt like I had like white residue, but I just need to be more patient with it, I feel like, and use it the correct way. So next, this is also gonna be optional. It's all optional. I have some nose rings because I have both of my nostrils pierced, and I don't lose them often, but I feel like I lose them at really bad times. I mean, it's never a good time to lose a nose ring, but like I'll like scratch my nose or like take off my hoodie or something and it'll pop out. So just in case, I bring a pack of nose rings, nose studs, so I don't want my nose to close up. I will literally cry. Okay, next I have some concealer. If I had like a zit or something like that, if I need to cover up, I would use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Next I have tweezers. Super essential. If you see like a brow hair out of place, or even if you need to fix your lashes or something like that, get you some tweezers and put them in your bag. And of course, body spray. This is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I love this stuff. Girl. But yeah, this is just a little travel size one. Always want to smell good. I could use some of this right now. I have some lip gloss in here. Yep, this is Victoria's Secret flavored lip gloss. Next I have nail glue. Now, I wear press-on nails when I don't have on fake nails. I love how I'm saying that. I don't have any nails on right now. I wear press-on nails often, and you know, they tend to pop off sometimes, so it's good to bring a little glue with you, or even just for like emergency like fixes, like if you need to glue something back together, or it's just very handy to have. Next I have just a little pack of bobby pins. You never know when you're gonna need those. And next I have my charger, because if you ain't got no phone charger and your phone dead, what you gonna do? I was looking for these, some hair ties. Definitely essential. And lastly, I have some girly things, because you never know. These are just little panty liners. They're the thin ones, so like you can barely even tell that they're there. But anyways guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try to see if I can pull some more back to school stuff together, because it's exciting. I love back to school time. I'm not even in school and it's exciting for me. That completes this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and yeah, see ya.